morning, Rosal Mior, our Security and Safety Audit Management Lecturer. I'm Suneka Panisamy from Batch 18B DM061914, and I'm here to present about the introduction of Occupation Safety Health Management and the importance. Occupation Safety Health is a discipline dealing with the prevention of work-related injuries and disease as well as promotion of the health of workers. It aims providing an improved performance in the prevention of workplace incident and accident via the effective management of hazards and risks in the workplace. There are some importance of occupation safety health management. The first is reduce risk or accident or injuries by identifying and mitigating hazard. The second is reduce costs associated with accident or injuries such as healthcare, rehabilitative costs, losses in productivity, impact on employees' well-being. And the third one is improve employee relation and moral, which is safer work environment, is less stressful work environment. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Devi Priya Sivkumar, DM04191127 from Batch 18B. Here I want to present about introduction, which is question C. The activities before, during and after the accident. The answer is the explosion and fire of the Bright Sparkles firecrackers factory is the tragedy of the explosion of a firecracker factory that occurred in Sungai Buloh, Selangor on 7th May 1991 at 3:45 afternoon. The firecracker factory is believed to have caught fire and produced a giant explosion that could be heard 7 km from the scene. A total of 26 victims were killed and a total of 83 victims were reported injured in the incident. The blaze destroyed 200 homes around the factory as well as the windows of houses around the Sungai Buloh area until the towns of Seri Menjalara and Selayang broke. A total of 26 people were killed and 103 people were reported injured. All the victims were taken to Kuala Lumpur Hospital for further treatment. Thank you.
Good day to my respectful lecturer. I'm Mr. Shin Mohan, DM041110 from batch 18B. Today I'm going to present the incident of fire explosion of Bright Sparkles Firecrackers factory, which happened on 7 May 1991. At the company, the sum of the firecrackers raw materials and the finished product were being stored at the company area. In the company, there's many types of the firecrackers were manufactured by the company, such as the Roman candles, hell hand sparkles, fountains, and also rocket. On 7th May 1991, at about the 3:45 p.m., a new products was being tested close to the chemical which had been dried. It is believed some fire sparkles and smoldering crazy fragments was flow in many directions, and some falling into the chemical, which is causing a fire. Some fragments was fly towards the canteen. At the time, the canteen is contained thousands load of the semi-finished product and the finished product. The fire was spread and causing an explosion, which the rocket is fly everywhere in and out of the building. There were finished product being stored of the various type of the chemical is being stored and the various building of the factory premise, and it also indicate the 2 container of the load which is being stored to ready to the shipments. The fire is rapidly spread very fast to another building and surrounding the factory. To cause the serious fire explosion. The fire and the explosion is destroyed the entire factory. In the tragedy, the 23 people lost their life and Others 103 people was injured in the degree of the seriousness, and among others is was injured whose one was Han whose was so crippled. Several property as a traditional and the factory building and the building around the factories was damaged as a result of the fire and the explosion. In this case, we can identify the immediate cause of the fire explosion. First is unsuccessful testing a new product to close the chemical. Second is the rocket is fly everywhere in and out of the building, which is spread the fire and cause the fire explosion. Third is the container of the load of the semi-finished product and finished product cause a serious explosion. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kamleshwari from batch 18B DEM06190004. So today I would like to present about explain factors related to the cause and effect of the accident. So firstly, I would like to explain about the effect of the accident at Bright Sparklers factory explosion. The Bright Sparklers fireworks fire occurred in Sungai Buloh, Selangor, Malaysia on 7 May 1991. The Bright Sparklers fireworks factory in Sungai Buloh, Selangor, Malaysia caught fire and caused a huge explosion. 26 people were killed and over 100 people injured in the disaster. The cause of the tragedy is to believe have been caused by explosive chemical sprayed during an experiment in the canteen of the factory. The chemical sparked a fire that rapidly spread to the nearby pile of large firecrackers known as the bazookas. The bazookas in turn set off the chain of explosion that ripped apart the factory and the nearby buildings, including the factory, not to mention rocking the Kampong Baru Sungai Buloh. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, good day to you all. My name is Kailashi Sarunasila, DEM04191133. Today I'm going to talk about the activities that happened before, during and after the incident of Bright Sparkers explosion. Before the incident happens, which is on 6th May 1991, the factory runs on a regular basis. The second day, on 8th May 1991 at 2:30 am, fire originated at the scene during search and rescue operations. The search and rescue team has found 21 victims, one of whom is a chemist from Hong Kong. What will happen on the next day? The next day, rain at the scene causes a chemical reaction that can produce toxic gases. Rescue teams have been ordered to evacuate the scene. 50 people are believed to be having difficulties breathing due to poison gas. No deaths were reported. On 16th May 1991, a bamboo fire operation was set up to carry out cleaning work and remove chemical and waste from the planet. More bodies were found during the operations. They also found toxic gases spread in the nearby neighborhood. Some people reported having difficulties in breathing at nearby hospitals and clinics. On the last day, the managing authority contained any more severe damage. That is what happened at the factory. Thank you.
Hi sir, I'm Uma Devi from 18B. Today I want to talk about lesson learned about accident. And awareness safety without the bright sparkles happening, the bomber may not have established the hazard material unit team that is specialized in handling chemicals and radiation. Thanks their establishment, they have managed to step into a chemical leak that happened at Jalan Tun Kudu, Melaka, as well as her oil spill from a crash that happened on the Pan Borno highway.
Hello sir, my name is Pavitra Tirumurugan from batch 18B DEM 04199090. Today I am going to explain about recommendation related to the bright sparklers accident. Malaysia experienced a tragedy due to manufacturing of firework when the bright sparklers firework factory exploded in 1991. Immediately, a royal commission was appointed by His Majesty to investigate the causes and the condition which led to the disaster. Maybe the chemists from Hong Kong have tried something new that caused explosion. The Bright Sparklers Firework Factory boss should give them the place for experiment the chemical. Every decision is required from the organizations as well as by the authority to remedy any error and prevent the accumulation of error inside the organization. The important fireworks product relevant legislation should be enforced in all locations. An amendment or review also is recommended in light of the lessons learned from this firework tragedy unless all the safety aspects were considered. This can translate to deflated morale and a loss of motivation, both of which can negatively impact productivity. A business negligence that result in an accident or a bodily injury can have serious financial and legal implications. The authorities who have direct contact with the company's activities need to enforce the law and to follow up the recommended action. The application of the standard regulation and specification during design, installation, manufacturing, operating and maintaining are required and should be followed in order to meet the minimum safety requirement. Thank you.
Hi sir, good morning. My name is Mithirsi from batch 18B. My ID number is DEM 04191111. Today I am going to present about conclusion. So the conclusion is the firework industry is a dangerous business where the manufacturing product is imposing a continuous source of potential hazard and jeopardizing the life of employees and surrounding residents unless all safety measures are considered. Malaysia has experienced such a type of disaster when the Bright Sparkle factory exploded in 1991. The factory tragedy was a result of an accumulation of errors in a period estimated to 16 years. The management of Sparkle factory and the authorities failed to learn from the complaints. The incident entering the history book as the country's worst industrial disaster. There were some positive outcomes including establishment of the Fire and Rescue Department Hazard Material Unit that specialized in handling chemical and radiation. Parliament passed Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 after the tragedy to highlight how crucial it was for employers to set up a safe working environment for their workers. The most important thing is although it was the chemist who caused all the entire tragedy, they found out that the place where he tested the firework was outside the canteen in the factory premise. At that time, the canteen contained thousands of semi-finished product. The fire spread, causing an explosion which caused the rockets to fly everywhere, spreading the fire to other places and buildings. Because of this tragedy, all companies are ordered to close down after the incident and fireworks were still made illegal. Currently, they are still illegal in Malaysia except for two types of fireworks, which is pops and happy bombs. There is nothing to show the devastation that shocked the nation 30 years ago. Even the curious residents who gathered around the star team were not even born when the explosion occurred. But the memories linger for those who lost their family members or who have to live with injuries that continue to hurt them. From this we can learn safety should always be given top priority during design or construction or operation as well as safety training and improving of culture level. The organization, management and the related authorities should always make sure that the safety is there. The Committee on Health and Safety Implication of Labour was established to examine how working affects the health and safety of people and to provide recommendations on how adverse consequences can be prevented. To address its charge, the committee undertook several tasks like review the available data on the extent to people in the work, and review the available data on their work-related injuries and illness. Lastly, review the research on works positive and negative. So these are the conclusion of Bright Sparkles disaster. Thank you.